.2004 Cadillac DeVille. Michelin tires. Compass mirror. Tire pressure monitoring system. Cruise control. Power windows and locks. Keyless entry. And much, much more. Very clean car, non-smoker. Attention out-of-state customers, we can assist you in shipping this car anywhere in the lower 48 states. We are the #1 Cadillac certified dealer in Michigan. We take great pride in being a family-owned and operated dealership for over 30 years. Canadian customers are welcome at Don Gooley Cadillac. We can assist you with shipping free Freedom Plus car care program included. For 1 full year we will provide the following maintenance on your vehicle: change engine oil and filter, inspect belts and hoses, inspect fuel and vapor lines, check and fill all fluids including power steering,